Welcome to my Fakeaway series where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking this banging chicken kebab in the air fryer, and don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. Just remember, a lovely kebab like this is lush even if you haven't knocked back 15 pints beforehand. Every kebab relies on a great salad, so start by shredding up some red cabbage, white cabbage, onion and parsley. Then add a splash of vinegar and some salt. Give it a good old mix and then leave to stand for 20 minutes. And now it's time for the main event. So marinate your chicken in a bowl, along with the herbs and spices shown in the recipe. The longer you can give this to marinate, the better. Overnight is best, but if you can give it a couple of hours, then perfect. Thread the chicken onto a couple of skewers. I like to do mine in one big kebab so I can carve at the table. Cook it at 180°C for 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 75°C. Build your kebab along with the usual suspects. I love minted yogurt, garlic mayo and a banging chili sauce. The recipe for that is coming. Let me know your favourite takeaway. Banging.